Life is not about becoming attached to things, places, or possessions. Instead, life is about finding unity with oneself and all that you are. There are two ways to be happy: change the situation or change your mindset towards it. Always do the right thing, no matter what others say. It is you, not them, who have to face the consequences. All stress, anxiety, depression is caused when we ignore who we are and start living to please others. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Stress is not what happens to us, it's our response to what happens, and response is something we can choose. When someone is mean, don't listen. When someone is rude, walk away. When someone tries to put you down, stand firm. Don't let someone's bad behavior destroy your inner peace. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Happy are those who take life day by day, complain very little, and are thankful for the little things in life. Most of our lives are spent trying to please people we eventually find out are not even good humans. To find peace, sometimes you have to be willing to lose your connection with people, places, and things that create all the noise in your life. Forgiving someone doesn't mean that their behavior was okay. What it does mean is that we are ready to move on, to release the heavy weight, to shape our own life on our terms without any unnecessary burdens. Most people don't see you, they only see their image of you. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, not by angels or by demons, heaven or hell. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Never get too attached to someone, because attachments lead to expectations and expectations lead to suffering. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. One bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Do not carry a burden of wrongful deeds by someone in your mind. Forgive and forget. Don't mix bad words with your bad mood. You will have many opportunities to change your mood, but you will never get the opportunity to replace the words you spoke. Forgiveness doesn't excuse their behavior. Forgiveness prevents their behavior from destroying your heart. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. With our thoughts, we make the world. Let the past make you better, not bitter. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Stop trying to calm the storm. Calm yourself. The storm will pass. When trust is broken, sorry means nothing. Fake people have an image to maintain. Real people just don't care. Spend your time with those who love you unconditionally, not with those who love you only when the condition is right for them. What is the secret of success? Right decisions. How do you make right decisions? Experience. How do you get experience? Wrong decisions. How to have a happy day? Number 1. Slow down. Number 2. Say thank you. Number 3. Smile. Number 4. Take a deep breath. Number 5. Compliment someone. Number 6. Appreciate small things. Number 7. Focus on awesomeness. Number 8. Notice 3 things you are grateful for. Thank you so much for watching. And to get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Stay blessed and have a nice day.